let's get it, let's go, go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's get it, let's go. Yeah, yeah. Let's get it.
This is one of our newest builds by Papago Vans. It's honestly one of my favorite setups. It's very different from one of our normal builds. So I'll come show you around on the inside and the outside, and I'll show you the different features around this van. This is a 2025 Mercedes Sprinter all-wheel drive. So starting on the outside, you'll find your shoe cubbies over here. So you just put your shoes in here and you don't have to worry about tracking any mud inside. And these are Steelcraft side steps to help you get inside of your van. Over here, these are our black Rhino wheels. These are all-terrain tires. These are perfect for off-road and on-road. And then over here, you'll find a Van Compass suspension. This is great since there's so much weight to the build. This is great for the van to just be more stabilized while you're driving. So this is a flatline Vanco front bumper with a bull bar. So this protects the front of the van if you accidentally hit something. So over here, you'll find your triple R grill light kit. These are anchor points. And then underneath the van, you'll find an all-wheel drive skid plate. So if you ever find yourself in a sticky situation underneath, it'll help protect you underneath the van so you don't have to damage anything. So up top, this is an Oxbeam 50-inch light bar. This is great if you're camping in the dark and you just need to see and have a front perimeter. Also find side lights on the side of the van. This will help you see at night, especially if you're camping outside and you just need a little bit more light. So this is a flatline Vanco side ladder. This is great so you don't have to buy an extra ladder. It's just literally attached to the side of the van. This van has 400 watts of solar power. If you're camping away from hookups, the solar helps support things like the fridge, lights, and just daily electronics. These are side capsules. These extend the space inside of the van so you get more space from the bedside area. Over here, you'll find flatline Vanco storage. So this is great since you can just literally put outdoor storage if you don't want to get your van dirty inside. So on the back of the van, you'll find your Owl van tire carrier. This is great to hold your spare tire on the back of the van. And you'll also find your Owl van ladder to help you get up top on the roof. Over here, you'll find the garage area. This is where you'll find more storage to put stuff inside of the van. Over here, you'll find 800 amp hours of lithium power. So you'll have a bunch of power to go off grid for honestly days. And then you'll also have your outdoor shower here. You just put your shower attachment in, and then you can shower your muddy feet or your dog, and you don't have to worry about it tracking inside. This is an Owl van storage box. This is on the back of the van. You'll just prop this open, and you can have a bunch of storage, and it also props open as a table, and this is great just for a little workspace area if you want to cook outside. And then it just closes like that. So over here, you'll just find another flatline Vanco storage box. You'll find it both on the left side and the right side of the van. And then this is a nomadic awning. It just retracts with this switch, so it's electric, and it gives you a bunch of shade, so you can just camp outside and you don't have to worry about the sun beaming on you. Moving inside of the van, I'll show you some of the cool features that we got. So these seats swivel, so both of the driver and the passenger seat swivel back and forth, so it's just an extra seating arrangement. And then this is a Lagoon adjustable table, so this is also removable, so you don't have to worry about it. You can just put it to the side, and then you can just prop this right open. It has a cup holder, and you can just work right here, and it's adjustable, so you can just move it however you like. This is one of my favorite features. This is the bathroom, and what makes it so cool is it has its own little sink and mirror inside. So I'll give you a tour. So this is a retractable shower curtain, so you don't have to worry about people watching you. Movable shower head, so this is great, so you don't have to just have one planted in the side of the wall. This is a shower curtain that moves, so you don't have to worry about getting the cabinets wet or the mirror wet or anything. Over here, you'll find a Lavio dry flush toilet. This is perfect, so you don't have to worry about any smells. And then for storage, so if you want some of your like shampoo in there, you could just put that right inside. This is a slat ceiling. It has insulation built inside, so it's great so you don't have to get a lot of outside noise coming in. And then you have this ambient lighting coming through. This over here is a Max Air Deluxe fan. This is great, so if you're cooking or you just want extra air, this is great, so it brings air in and out. What makes this van build so unique, it has a lot of storage, so you can just put all your belongings in here. So if you want to go camping for like months, honestly, you can just put all your clothes in here, and you have a bunch of storage down here as well. And then this is a 700-watt microwave, so if you don't feel like cooking, like I always say, this is great. And then you'll also find more storage up top on the fridge area. This is a isotherm F140 fridge, and it also has a freezer inside, so this is the freezer area. And then over here is just a bunch of storage to put all your cold belongings. Over here, this is the dinette area, so it works as a multi-purpose area, so you can sleep in it, eat here, work. So this table just goes down, and then you can just put these cushions in. I didn't put it all the way down, but you just put the cushions on top, and then it works as a whole bed area. The table also moves back and forth, so if you need it to just go to a different side. If you also need to get out of the area, these move, so they just flap, open and close. Over here you'll find outlets, so this is great, so you can just charge your phone up, and you also have like a USB-C and a USB charger. And then this is the control center, so if you ever need to turn your water pump on or your shower drain. This is also great to check your battery and electrical system as well. Over here you'll find more storage on top of the dinette area. And then over here you'll also find your nomadic AC. This is great when you're camping in hot weather. It'll honestly cool down your van in literally minutes. It's like one of my most favorite features about this van. So moving on to the kitchen area, this is honestly one of my favorite parts because of the color. I love the blue that the customer decided to pick out. This is a Vizio TV. It swivels back around so you can watch from anywhere inside of the van. You can literally watch from the shower if you want, and from the bedside area as well. So then you can just prop it back inside in place. This has a bunch of storage inside of the van, so if you want to put all your belongings for your kitchen utensils, this is great. And you can also put all your like cleaning stuff in here. And this is an induction cook stovetop. This is portable, so you can cook outside or inside. This is an acacia butcher block countertop. This is very durable and very easy to clean. And it also comes with this insert, so if you need extra counter space. And then this is also one of my favorite parts. This is a filtered water system, so you don't have to worry about any water bottles, and you can just get your water fresh from here. That's the end of our van tour. Check out the description for the full build list so you can get all the cool features inside of this van. And also subscribe to Papago Vans so you can get all the cool content weekly.